Today we are visiting Continew, Jalan Razak. Continew only have two facing, the north and the south. Northern direction towards the TRX area, and the southern direction where you can see the Duke 3 elevated highway. As we pan towards the right, you can see the tallest building there is Trion KL. Level 8 facing to the north, you can see the TRX and HSBC tower right in front of the facilities. I was looking for the facilities directory. After I gone into the lift for so many times, then only I see this. Don't you think it's too small? Standing at the facility floor, look to your right, you will see one Cochrane by Boosted Properties. And here's the ground floor. When you enter at the lobby area, you will realize this condo is very different. There's a lot of green element, tree design, woody design being applied at the very ground floor, not at the facility floor. And here's the design for the ground floor lift area. Continew residence has 50 floors. Let's go to the sky deck first. This is like a rooftop mini garden with some plants. There are some chairs for you to sit, but during the daytime it's too hot for you to sit there. And look at this. Look at this. How does it look at the sky deck level around 45 to 47 floor? I can guarantee this is a breathtaking view. Twin Tower, KL Tower. Here's Jalan Razak, the Duke 3 highway, IKEA Cochrane, one Cochrane by Boosted, MRT station, My Town, Cheras, double layer curved elevated highway, Duke 3. Okay, let's look at the building plan. This is the 27th floor. The one that I'm showing is a dual key. One side one bedroom, the other side is a studio. The other dual key unit is this one. It's splitted right in the middle, left and right. So from the moment you get up from the lift, straight go into your unit. There's only two facing. One facing up, which is the northern, then facing down, which is the southern direction. A bit of preview of the units that we are renting. Everything is provided. All you need is your luggage. And we have many different designs. The cooking hood and hob and the kitchen cabinet is all provided to you, including the dining table, dining wares, a Samsung washer, a nicely done washroom. I like how they use the tiles difference, the common area and also the shower area. Pool open from 7 to 10, so you can use the pool. At night will be very nice because imagine all these areas are lightened up, the building colors. And if you like pool, you can go to level 47. So if you guys are working around this area, you wanted to look for a unit to rent, feel free to contact me or my team. We have fully furnished units. Yeah, you can contact us via this number, Rosanna, and also this number here. Can't get enough of this view. It's level 8 facility floor facing to TRX and also HSBC tower. This is one of my favorite spot in Continew. And towards the right would be one Cochrane, IKEA Cochrane direction. I'm very excited and looking forward to do a video for one Cochrane. And towards the end of this video, I'd like to thank you guys again for supporting our videos and channels. And please help us with your like, follow, share and comments. And we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.